Hi everyone, this video is to show you how to remaster a single assignment from your Canvas gradebook. To begin with, I'm going to locate the GradeSync link in my course navigation menu. If your GradeSync link isn't visible, you may need to adjust it from the navigation settings in your overall course settings. So once I click on GradeSync, I'll have two options to select from, either to view the history or to look at the utilities. Under the Utilities tab, there's a button called Remaster Grade Passback, and this is the button we're looking for in order to force a remaster. When I click on this button, it gives me the option to select all of my assignments that I've recently already synced. But in this particular case, we want to sync and remaster a single assignment, especially if that assignment has had any syncing errors in the past. So I'm going to uncheck this box so that it deselects all of the previous assignments, and instead I'm going to find the one assignment in question that I'm hoping to remaster. So when I check the single assignment, then I can remaster the grades at the bottom. And it doesn't look like anything's happening, but if you go back to your history, this is where you can check the status. So give it a few minutes to run. You can continue to refresh the progress. The earlier in the morning, the longer it typically takes. But once you get the green completed check mark, then you can pop over to your Skyward gradebook and confirm that the remaster has worked.